These projectors range from budget-friendly picks to premium 4K laser models, and I'll tell you exactly which one gives you the most bang for your buck, no matter your budget. Check the links in the description below for the best current deals on every projector I mention. Let's get started. First on the list is the Hisense Mini C2, which is a high-performance projector designed to deliver a premium cinematic experience for home, gaming, business, and outdoor use. It features true 4K resolution with AI upscaling, ensuring vibrant, detailed visuals even from lower-resolution content. Its advanced triple-color laser light source produces highly accurate and vibrant colors, supported by an impressive color gamut and Dolby Vision, which enhances contrast, brightness, and overall picture quality. With 2000 ANSI lumens brightness and a 1700:1 native contrast ratio, the projector delivers bright, clear images with deep blacks and vivid highlights in various lighting conditions. It supports a flexible projection size from 65 inches to 300 inches, allowing users to create anything from a personal screen to a full home theater. The unique gimbal design enables 360 degrees horizontal and 180 degrees vertical adjustment, making it easy to project on walls, ceilings, or angled surfaces. The built-in Auto Magic adjustment system simplifies setup by automatically optimizing focus and alignment, while the 240 Hz refresh rate ensures smooth motion for gaming and fast-paced content. It also includes JBL-tuned speakers for immersive sound and supports Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, HDMI, USB, and Ethernet for seamless connectivity. Overall, this projector offers exceptional visuals, flexibility, and performance, making it a highly recommended choice for an advanced viewing experience. Coming up next is the JMGO NiS Ultra, which is a powerful and feature-rich projector built for home cinema, gaming, business, and entertainment. It delivers stunning 4K resolution with advanced HDR10 support, ensuring vibrant visuals, enhanced contrast, and lifelike detail. Powered by Qualys 22 RRGB laser technology, it produces exceptional color accuracy and a wide color gamut, creating vibrant and realistic images. With an impressive 2800 ISO lumens brightness and 1600:1 contrast ratio, it performs excellently even in well-lit environments, offering clear, bright, and immersive visuals. The projector features a highly intelligent 360-degree sensorless picture correction system, supported by a 3D TOF sensor and CMOS camera, which enables real-time autofocus, keystone correction, screen alignment, and wall color adaptation. Its flexible design allows easy positioning while maintaining perfect image quality. With a large projection size up to 300 inches, it transforms any space into a cinematic experience. Built-in Google TV provides access to thousands of apps, live channels, and voice control via Google Assistant, making streaming seamless and convenient. For audio, it includes 20-watt dual speakers with Dolby Digital Plus, delivering rich, immersive sound with deep bass. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, HDMI 2.1, and USB, ensuring compatibility with multiple devices and supporting Blu-ray 3D content. Overall, the JMGO NiS Ultra offers outstanding performance, smart features, and cinematic quality, making it a highly recommended choice for an advanced viewing experience. Next up is the NexiGo Vision Ultra, which is a high-end portable projector designed to deliver an exceptional home cinema and gaming experience. It features true 4K resolution combined with an advanced Tri-LED laser light source, blending LED and laser technologies to produce brighter images, richer colors, and a completely speckle-free viewing experience. With an impressive color gamut and outstanding color accuracy, it ensures highly realistic and vibrant visuals. Support for Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and HLG further enhances contrast and detail, while its remarkable 100,000:1 dynamic contrast ratio delivers deep blacks and brilliant highlights for cinematic clarity. With 2600 lumens brightness, the projector performs well across various lighting conditions and supports screen sizes up to 300 inches, making it perfect for immersive large-screen entertainment. It is also optimized for gaming, offering ultra-low input lag of 4.2 milliseconds to 8 milliseconds and support for 4K at 120 Hz, ensuring smooth and responsive gameplay. Built-in 30-watt speakers with Dolby Audio and DTS Virtual X provide powerful, room-filling sound, enhancing movies, games, and shows without needing external speakers. The projector includes AI autofocus and auto keystone correction for quick and easy setup, along with a smart hidden Fire TV storage slot for a cleaner, cable-free setup. Connectivity options such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, HDMI 2.1, USB, and 3.5mm audio jack ensure seamless compatibility with multiple devices. Overall, the NexiGo Vision Ultra offers powerful performance, stunning visuals, and advanced features, making it a highly recommended choice for a premium home entertainment experience. Next is the Dangbei DBOX02, which is a powerful and versatile projector designed for home cinema, gaming, and indoor entertainment. It delivers stunning 4K visuals with 2450 ISO lumens brightness, ensuring clear and vibrant images even in well-lit environments. Powered by advanced ALPD technology, it enhances color accuracy while eliminating speckle effects, resulting in smooth, consistent picture quality. With support for HDR10+ and HLG, the projector offers improved contrast, richer colors, and enhanced detail for a more immersive viewing experience on screens up to 200 inches. The projector features built-in Google TV, providing access to over 10,000 apps, including officially licensed Netflix, YouTube, and Prime Video, along with Chromecast and Google Assistant for seamless streaming and voice control. It also supports Blu-ray 3D, allowing users to enjoy lifelike, cinematic 3D content with depth and realism. For audio, the dual 12-watt speakers with Dolby Audio and DTS-X deliver immersive, high-quality sound without requiring external speakers. Setup is effortless thanks to Instant Pro AI image setup, which includes autofocus, auto keystone correction, screen alignment, and obstacle avoidance, ensuring perfect image placement in seconds. Connectivity options such as HDMI, USB, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth provide flexibility for multiple devices. A minor drawback is the DLP color breakup effect, which may be noticeable in certain scenes. Overall, the Dangbei DBOX02 offers excellent performance, smart features, and cinematic quality, making it a highly recommended choice for an advanced home entertainment setup. Coming up next is the Nebula Cosmos 4K SE, which is a premium and highly advanced projector designed for home cinema, gaming, and professional indoor entertainment. It delivers stunning true 4K visuals with Dolby Vision support, offering exceptional brightness, deeper contrast, and highly accurate color reproduction for a truly immersive viewing experience. Powered by hybrid beam technology, it combines LED and laser light sources to produce 1,800 ANSI lumens, ensuring bright, vivid, and detailed images even in moderately lit rooms. With support for up to a 200 inches projection screen, it creates a full cinematic atmosphere at home. The projector is equipped with the Nebula Master Image Engine, which enhances overall picture quality by optimizing contrast, refining grayscale, and delivering smoother motion for a more natural and lifelike display. It also features the intelligent IEA 4.0 setup system, which automatically handles autofocus, keystone correction, screen fitting, obstacle avoidance, and ambient light adaptation, making installation fast and effortless. Built-in Google TV provides access to thousands of apps, including official 4K Netflix streaming, YouTube, and other major platforms, along with voice control for added convenience. For audio, Dolby Audio ensures rich, clear, and immersive sound performance without needing external speakers. Connectivity options such as HDMI, USB, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi offer seamless compatibility with gaming consoles, laptops, and mobile devices. Overall, the Nebula Cosmos 4K SE delivers outstanding picture quality, intelligent automation, and a complete smart entertainment experience, making it a highly recommended choice for users seeking a premium home theater setup. Finally, the LG CineBeam Q 710pb, which is a compact and premium entertainment device designed for home cinema and portable viewing experiences. It delivers stunning 4K UHD resolution with support for HDR10, producing vibrant details, enhanced contrast, and vibrant colors on screen sizes of up to 120 inches. Powered by advanced 3-channel RGB laser technology, it offers exceptional color accuracy, ensuring rich and lifelike visuals for movies and streaming content. The projector features a 450,000:1 contrast ratio, which enhances deep blacks and bright highlights for a more cinematic image quality. One of its standout features is the intelligent auto screen adjustment system, which automatically handles screen alignment, keystone correction, and autofocus, allowing users to simply place and play without manual setup. Its ultra-portable design, weighing around 3 pounds, makes it easy to carry and use in different locations, making it ideal for flexible home entertainment setups. Built-in WebOS provides direct access to popular streaming platforms like Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, YouTube, and Apple TV without needing external devices. It also supports Apple AirPlay 2 and Android screen sharing, enabling seamless wireless casting from smartphones, tablets, and laptops. The built-in speakers provide convenient audio output for everyday use, while HDMI, USB, and Bluetooth connectivity ensure compatibility with multiple devices. Its minimalist and stylish design allows it to blend easily into modern spaces. A minor drawback is its poor gaming performance, which may not be ideal for fast-paced or competitive gaming due to limited responsiveness. Overall, the LG CineBeam Q HU710PB is a stylish, portable, and feature-rich 4K projector that is highly recommended for movie lovers and casual entertainment users seeking convenience and premium picture quality. For more honest product reviews like this, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss a video.